Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. A few months ago, I made mutton Shami Kabab. This time, I thought, why not chicken Shami Kabab? So here is the recipe for very yummy chicken Shami Kabab, inshallah. I have minced chicken 1.5 pound, chana dal 1 cup. Don't soak it, just wash 3 times and it is ready to use. Water 2.5 cup. 1 small potato, make small pieces of it like this in cubes. And salt 1.5 teaspoon, ginger grated 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon, cayenne pepper I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. So let's start making yummy chicken Shami Kabab with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add water in cooking pan, then mince and turn on the flame. Now add chana dal, potato, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, ginger and cayenne pepper. Mix it like this because mince is frozen. Cover it and let it boil first. When it starts boiling, then keep the flame medium low and let it cook for 15 minutes. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 15 minutes, mince start to defrosting. Now mix it evenly and let it cook on medium low flame for more 20 minutes. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 20 minutes, check chana dal by pressing it with your fingertip. It should be solid in shape but easily pressed like this. Now keep the flame high and cook it with open lid for 8 minutes to make dry kebab masala for Shami Kababs. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It was cooking for 8 minutes on high flame. When you see a thin brown layer in the bottom of the pan, then it is ready for kebabs. Now turn off the flame and take out it in a big bowl to make it cool down for kebabs, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is half bunch of mint leaves, 1 bunch of cilantro leaves and 1 medium sized onion. We will chop them and then add them in kebab mixture, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a chopper, add onion, cilantro leaves, mint leaves and chop them. Now take them out in a bowl and in the same chopper add kebab mixture and 2 tablespoons of green mixture. Chop it at high speed until you get smooth kebab mixture, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now add remaining green mixture and mince mixture. And fold them together to make kebabs, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, I made 16 kebab of the mixture. Keep them in fridge for 30 minutes. Then beat an egg and dip them in it. Fry them for 1 minute on each side and serve it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very yummy chicken Shami Kababs are ready to enjoy. For chicken lovers, share the recipe with others and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart. Also follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.